So, by hearing the advice of the Nagendra, the next day the king called the witness. Here, witness is the Babu. Okay. So, he and his minister asked Babu various questions, but he couldn't answer any of them. Okay. So, he merely babbled and uttered nonsensical syllables till the king lost his patience and drew him out of the courtroom. So, as he was advised by Nagendra not to open his mouth and pretend to be mentally ill person, so he behaves the same way, and he merely babbled means. Babbling means talk quickly so that no one can understand anything. So he was doing the same thing and uttered nonsensical syllables means producing some noise. It may be a silly or a stupid words he was saying. So because of that, the king lost his patience and he drew him out of the courtroom. So he was taken out of the courtroom now. So Babu was very delighted by the success of the ruse. So he was very happy that by this trick. So he told everyone about the Nagendra's great wisdom, which soon become a buzzword in the marketplace. So he was very happy and he came and said about the Nagendra's wisdom. So wisdom, the intelligence of Nagendra, and this has become a very popular at a specific time. Okay, buzzword means very popular at a specific time in the marketplace. So now Gupta was not pleased. So Gupta means the Babu's father was not pleased, was not happy. Why? Because he saw that his son would have to feign means pretend, act like madness always, or else the king would find out he had been tricked him. So he was very worried about it. So he could certainly chop off his son's head if he found out. So he is thinking that if the king has found out the trick, the king will chop off his son's head. So he was worried about it. So back they went to Nagendra for more wisdom. So they thought that they will get more wisdom from Nagendra about this matter. So for another 500 rupees, Nagendra advised them, go back to king when he is in a good mood and tell him the whole story. He will find it amusing and will forgive you. So he's saying that you have to go back to the king, and if he is in a good mood, say him the whole story, and he will be very find it amusing means causing laughter, and he will forgive you, he will leave you, but make sure that he is in a mood of laughter. So he is saying that you have to see whether he is in a mood of laughter. Okay. And so Babu followed the advice, found the king in a merry mood, merry means happy mood, and told him the story. The king laughed a lot and forgave him. So by hearing this, the king forgave him. Okay. So then the king, who was intrigued means very interested about hearing the Nagendra in the market. Okay, so what he sent for him. So he called Nagendra to his court and asked if he had any more wisdom to sell. So he is asking a wisdom for himself. The boy said, the boy is Nagendra, of course, I have plenty to sell, especially to a king. But my fee would be a lakh. That means 1 lakh he charges. 1 lakh is equals to 100,000 rupees, right? So the king paid him the 100,000 and the boy gave him a piece of paper on which he had written, think deeply before you do anything. So he is saying that think deeply before you do anything. It was written on that paper, right? It is obviously a great wisdom, correct? Right? You have to think deeply before doing anything. So the king was so delighted with the advice that he made it its motto. That means the main aim of his life. So what he did, he embroidered it on his pillows, making embroidery in his pillows, and engraved on his cups and plates. Engraved means he designed the words on the cups and the plates so that he could not forget it. So some months later, so some months passed on, the king fell ill. So the king was not feeling well. The minister and one of the queens had been conspiring to get rid of him. So he was one of the minister and one of the queen wanted to kill the king. So they bribed the doctor and persuaded him to poison the king's medicine. So what they bribed means giving money to the doctor, and persuaded means convinced the doctor to give poison to the king. When the medicine was brought to the king and he lifted the golden cup to his lips, he read the words engraved on it. So once the medicine had been given to the king, he what he did, he lifted the cup to his lips, but at once what he saw the words which has been designed or which has been carved on the cup. Think deeply before you do anything. So without suspecting anything, he thought about the words. So by thinking of the words written on that cup, without doing any movement or without doing any action, he thought about the words and he lowered the cup. So he brought down the cup and looked at the medicine in it. So he saw the medicine which was inside that cup. The doctor who was watching all this felt very nervous. So the doctor thought that the king has found out that guilt which has been done by him. So his guilty conscience made him believe that the king had guessed that his medicine had been poisoned. So he himself, who the doctor by himself, felt very nervous and thought that the king has found out the truth. So while the king was thinking, the doctor threw himself at his feet and confessed to everything and prayed to be forgiven. So the king was thinking. At that time, what happened? The doctor, he felt to the king's feet and confessed. Confessed means approving that he has done everything, and he prayed for the forgiveness. But the king ordered that the doctor must be arrested. Then he sent for the minister and the queen and insisted that they drink the poison in his cup. So what happened? The king found out the truth, and he ordered the doctor to be arrested, and the minister and the queen who made this plot means plan, to insist to drink the cup, the poison in the cup. So they too fell at his feet and begged for mercy. So what happened again? They both were at the feet of the king and they begged for mercy. So he ordered them to be hanged and he banished the doctor from his kingdom. So what happened? The king ordered the minister and queen to be hanged, and he banished the and he threw out the doctor from his kingdom. Okay, so he made Nagendra his minister and honored him with wealth. So what happened? Because of Nagendra only his life was safe now, right? So he made Nagendra his minister and honored him with a lot of wealth. Wealth means money. And I hope you have understood this very interesting story, right? So this is because these all comes under the wisdom. So once you will do anything, you have to think and do. And like these are some of the sentences or some of the words we should keep in our mind. Okay, and in this lesson I will be giving the notes with this video, okay, so that it will be easy for you to go through and finish up your classwork. I may give the hard words, you have to write the meanings, and this part, if you wanted, you can write it in your class note, okay. Reorder the jumble words, and these complete the following sentences and the exercises which I will be sending in your PDF form. Okay, so kindly write those things in your classwork and complete the classwork. Thank you.